Hello, children. Hello. We are going to listen to a story of a grouchy ladybug. And the meaning of grouchy I'm going to tell you sometime later. थोड़ी देर बाद बताऊंगी grouchy का meaning. So now all of you are ready to listen to the story? Yes? Very good. Sit straight. Let's start with the story. It was night, and some fireflies were dancing under the moon. Do you know what are fireflies? हिंदी में उसे जुगनू बोलते हैं और मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात माहिती का? काजवे. ठीक है. So these are actually little insects, and they are having a light on their tails, and when they move around in night, dark night, that time you feel like some stars are moving. Okay, so these fireflies, they were dancing under the moon. After some time, the sun started rising. The sun came up, and it was 5 o'clock at the time when the sun came up. And do you know what happened? Then a friendly ladybug flew in from the left, and it was hungry. In the morning when you get up, you are hungry, is it not? पूरी रात भर आप सो जाते हैं और कुछ नहीं खाते हैं, तो मॉर्निंग में आपको भूख लगती है. So this ladybug was also very hungry, and do you know what she saw? It saw a leaf with so many aphids on it. Now what are aphids? Do you want to know what are aphids? Actually, aphids are small bugs. Now bugs means insects which feed on plants. यानी कि वो plant में से अपना खाना लेते हैं. Aphids cause more plant damage than any other insects. वो प्लांट में से जब खाना लेते हैं तो प्लांट को भी नुकसान करते हैं, डैमेज कर देते हैं, खराब कर देते हैं. तो और कोई भी इंसेक्ट से ज्यादा अफिड्स हमारे प्लांट्स को डैमेज करते हैं या खराब करते हैं. ओके, so there is one interesting information about aphids. Ants and aphids benefit from being together. यानी कि ants and aphids एक दूसरे के साथ जब रहते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे को हेल्प करते हैं. So how do they help? Let's see. The ants provide protection from any predators that might go after the aphids. Now what is the meaning of predator? Predator means a predator actually is an animal that will hunt or catch and eat other animals. Okay, यानी कि अगर एफिड्स को खाने के लिए कोई और एनिमल आता है तो एंड्स उस एनिमल को, जिसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, प्रेडेटर बोलेंगे. व्हाई प्रेडेटर? बिकॉज it is eating the other animal. Okay, so the ants go and bite that predator. Okay, so that is how ants will provide protection to the aphids. Okay, and what do aphids do in return? The aphids provide food for the ants. Do you know how do they provide food for the ants? I will tell you. All aphids, they excrete a waste product called honeydew. ओके, यानी जो लिविंग थिंग्स है वो जब खाना खाते हैं उसके बाद में जो अनडाइजेस्टेड थिंग्स है वो हम एक्सक्रीट कर देते हैं. वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जो होता है वो हम बॉडी के बाहर फेंकते हैं. सिमिलरली अफिड्स हैं, दे एक्सक्रीट अ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज कॉल्ड एज द हनी ड्यू. क्या बोलते हैं? हनी ड्यू. Okay, and ants love this sticky stuff because it provides a sugary meal that gives the ants energy. Okay, and this honeydew is actually very sweet, sugary होता है, sweet होता है, and ants love to have this. Why? Because when they eat this honeydew, they get their energy. Now, some kinds of ants have evolved to milk the honeydew out of the aphids by stroking their abdomens. Okay, अभी ants भी ऐसे डेवलप हो गया ना, जैसे हम काउज हमारे जो खेतों में या फार्मर्स गांव में काउस पालते हैं और उसमें से दूध निकाल के वो हमको देते हैं. सिमिलरली दिस एंड्स, यू नो, दे हैव डेवलप्ड. वो क्या करते हैं, अफीड्स को ऐसे एब्डोमेन मीन्स उसका पेट, वहां पे ऐसे थोड़ा सा हाथ लगाते हैं, एंड देन after they touch it like that, they stroke it, मतलब ऐसे touch करते रहते हैं, and then this aphids, they start giving that honeydew. ठीक है, वो honeydew excrete करने लगते हैं, अपने बॉडी में से बाहर निकालने लगते हैं. तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं, एंड्स क्या कर रहे हैं, जानबूझ के वहां से वो honeydew निकाल रहे हैं. उसको बोलते हैं milk the honeydew out of the aphids just by stroking the abdomen. So isn't it interesting? Ants are milking aphids. Okay, so this is one interesting information which I found, and I thought that you would also find it very interesting. Okay, so let's move on with the story. So these are how the aphids look. So this friendly ladybug which moved in from the left, she saw a lot of aphids on the leaf, and she said, "Wow, very nice. Now there are so many aphids on the leaf. So nice. Now I will have my breakfast. I will eat all of them for the breakfast." Okay, but then just then what happened? A grouchy ladybug. She flew in from the right, and what is the meaning of grouchy? Yes, I will tell you right now. Grouchy means the one who is complaining all the time. हर बार कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं ना. टीचर्स कभी कभी बोलते हैं ना, कंप्लेन बॉक्स. हर छोटी छोटी चीज में कंप्लेन करते. They are never happy. They are never satisfied. So these people like to complain. It is their hobby to complain. These people are called as grouchy, complaining all the time. Okay, so this grouchy ladybug, she came in from the right, and it also saw so many aphids. Oh, then this grouchy ladybug was also very hungry, and it wanted all the aphids for the breakfast. So, do you know what happened? The friendly ladybug was friendly, so she said, "Good morning." But the grouchy ladybug, she was grouchy. So, what did she say? "What good morning? Go away from here. I want to eat all these aphids. All those aphids are mine. I'm not going to share them with you." Okay. But the friendly ladybug said, "There are so many aphids. So why we need to fight over them? You can also have the aphids. We will share them. There are enough, plenty of them, so that you will be also full and I will be, आपका भी पेट भरेगा और मेरा भी पेट भर जाएगा. इतने सारे तो हैं, तो हम शेयर कर लेंगे. There is no need to fight over them." But this grouchy ladybug said, she screamed मतलब चिल्लाई, "No, they are all mine. I don't want to share it with you." That is how she screamed. "You want to share with me? Otherwise, I will fight with you. Do you want to fight with me from them? What do you think? You will fight with me for them?" That is what the grouchy ladybug said. Then the friendly ladybug also got angry. So friendly ladybug looked directly into the grouchy ladybug's eye. यानी कि उसकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखा और बोला, "If you insist means अगर आप चाहते हो, तो yes, fine, I will fight with you." Okay, as soon as the friendly ladybug said, "Okay, I will fight with you," then the grouchy ladybug stepped back. It went back, and it was not sure whether it would like to fight with the friendly ladybug. Then it said, "Oh, you're not big enough for me to fight. Okay, तुम तो बहुत छोटी हो, तुम मेरे से क्या झगड़ा करोगे ऐसा? Oh, you're not big enough for me to fight," it said. And then the friendly ladybug said, "Acha, so I'm not so big enough. Then why don't you go and pick somebody who is bigger than me? मेरे से कोई बड़ा क्यों नहीं ढूंढ लेती fighting करने के लिए?" That way, the friendly ladybug said. So the grouchy ladybug said, "Okay, okay, I will do that. I'll find somebody who is bigger than you to fight." And then she went away. Okay, she said, "I will show you." How it went away, it puffed itself, and this is how it puffed, and then it flew off. Flew off where? To find some other big animal. So at 6 o'clock, it flew, and flew. At 6 o'clock, it met a yellow jacket. "Hey, you," said the grouchy ladybug. "You want to fight with me?" Now the yellow jacket got very angry. "If you insist, अगर आप चाहते हो, तो ठीक है, we will fight. Then that yellow jacket has a sting. Sting होता है ना उसके पास, जिससे वो sting करता है. So it started showing the stinger. See, this is the stinger. It is showing the stinger. Then the ladybug said, "Oh, oh, you are not so big enough for to fight with me." And then the ladybug flew off. She flew off and flew and flew and flew. And at 7 o'clock, she saw a stag beetle. Now this yellow jacket which she saw was bigger than the ladybug, but this stag beetle is still bigger than the yellow jacket. So now she saw this stag beetle at 7 o'clock and she said, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" The stag beetle said, "Okay, if you wish so, if you insist, I am ready to fight with you." Then it also opened its jaws. You can see these jaws? Yes, these are the jaws. So with the help of this jaws, it stings. So it opened its jaws and said, "Yes, come on, let's fight." So the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not big enough to fight with me." And then it flew. Then it flew and flew and flew. And at 8 o'clock, it came across a praying mantis. And it asked the praying mantis, "Hey, you want to fight with me?" The mantis, it showed its long front legs. You can see this long front legs. It showed the long front legs and said, "If you insist, if you wish, I will fight with you." Then the ladybug again said, "Oh no, you're not big enough to fight with me. I'll find somebody else." So it flew off. It flew off, and at 9 o'clock, it almost flew into a sparrow, and it asked the sparrow, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" Then the sparrow said, "If you insist." And then it opened its sharp beak. The sparrow has a sharp beak. Okay, so it opened its sharp beak and told, "If you insist, if you wish, I am ready to fight with you." Then again the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not so big enough to fight with me." And then the ladybug flew off. Then at 10 o'clock, it saw a lobster, and it asked, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" Then the lobster stretched its claws. See, can you see it? Stretching the claws, and it said, "Yes, if you want to fight with me. If you insist, then I will fight with you." Then again the ladybug said, "Oh no, no, you're not so big enough to fight with me. I'll find somebody else." And then the ladybug flew off. At 11 o'clock, it bumped into a skunk, and the ladybug asked, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" The skunk started to lift his tail. Do you see here? It is lifting the tail. And do you know what happens when the skunk lifts the tail? It it has some liquid which comes out. It sprays some liquid which comes out of this tail, and it is used for protection of the self. Okay, so it said, okay, okay, fine, if you wish to fight with me, if you insist, then I will fight with you." Then again the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not so big enough. Okay, I will find somebody else to fight." And then the ladybug flew off. At 12 o'clock, it spotted a boa constrictor. Now, what is a boa constrictor? It is a big, big, big snake. And the ladybug said, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" And the boa constrictor, what did it say? "If you insist, right after the lunch, I will fight with you." And the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not big enough to fight with me. I will find somebody else to fight." And then the ladybug flew off. At 1 o'clock, it happened upon a hyena. And to hyena also the ladybug asked, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" And the hyena, do you know what? It showed its teeth, yee, and said, "If you insist, I am ready to fight with you." Again the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not big enough to fight with me. I'm going to find somebody else who is bigger than you to fight." And then the ladybug flew off. At 2 o'clock, it met a gorilla. And the ladybug asked the gorilla, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" And the gorilla said, "If you insist." Yes, he was beating its chest. Do you see a gorilla beating the chest? Yes. So it bet its chest and it asked, "Yes, if you insist, then I'm going to fight with you." Then again the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not big enough to fight with me. I'm going to find somebody bigger than you to fight." She said so, and then she flew off. At 3 o'clock, it ran into a rhinoceros. And again to the rhinoceros it asked, "Hey you, do you want to fight with me?" The rhinoceros said, it showed its horn. The rhinoceros has a horn, so it showed the horn. "If you insist, if you want to fight with me, I'm ready to fight with you." The ladybug said again, "Oh, you're not big enough to fight with me. I'm going to find something bigger than you." And it flew off. At 4 o'clock, it encountered an elephant. "Hey, you, elephant, do you want to fight with me?" The elephant raised its trunk and it showed its big tusks. And then it said, "If you insist, if you want to fight with me, I'm ready to fight." And the ladybug said, "Oh no, you're not big enough," said the ladybug, and it flew off. Now at 5 o'clock in the morning it had started, no? So now it is evening. At 5 o'clock in the evening it met a whale and it said, "Hey you, do you want to fight with me?" And the whale did not answer at all. It did not say anything. Then it said, "Oh, you're not big enough to fight with me." And the ladybug flew off and it flew at 5:15. It flew to one of the whale's flippers. Do you see these flippers over here? So it flew towards it and it asked the flipper, "Hey, you, do you want to fight with me?" But the flipper did not answer. So, sorry, it at 5:30 it went to the whale's fin. Can you see the fin over here? Yes. "Hey you, do you want to fight with me?" Again it did not get any answer. So it went at 5:45. The grouchy ladybug went to the whale's tail and asked the whale's tail, "Hey you, do you want to fight with me?" Again it did not get any answer. And the whales, now it went into the river. Okay, and the whale still gave the into the sea, sorry, and the whale still gave the grouchy ladybug a big slap, and it flew across the sea and across the land, and at 6 o'clock again it came down to the same leaf where the friendly ladybug was having its snacks in the evening. Okay, from where it started, again it came back over there. So at 6 o'clock in the evening, the friendly ladybug said, "Oh, you're back again." And she said, "There are still so many aphids left over here, and you must be very hungry. Okay, aren't you so hungry? आपको बहुत भूख लगी होगी. You can have these aphids for the dinner. Now I am so full. I had my lunch, breakfast, everything I had. Now these are left, and you can have them for the dinner." Then the tired, wet, and hungry ladybug said, "Oh, yes, thank you." So that's all. Did you enjoy the story? Yes, bye. And what did you understand? You should be always very good understanding. You should share your things and you should not fight with everybody. Okay? Chalo, bye. See you.